right, welcome everyone to another night at Self-Space. This is a shout out to everyone who's coming for the San Francisco Tango Marathon. So welcome everyone. We hope you have a great weekend, and we hope to see you there. What was the class on? What's the fundamental theme of the class? Milonga rhythm, yes. And specifically, what kind of rhythm? Yeah, the San Francisco or Francisco San, da-dum-bum-bum, a 2 and 1. There are many different ways to say it. And from a rhythmic syncopation standpoint, okay, we're trying to do our syncopation around what number? 2. Around the 2 as opposed to the 1. What did we call 1? And what was that like? Like the gymnast? Sticking it, that was home base. That was the anchor. That's being grounded. That's adding the earth to your dance. Okay? And right after you do that, what happens? After the 1 is what? Is the 2, right? So, which is really neat because 2 is where you get ungrounded and 2 is where you do your syncopation in this class. Okay? In reality, you can syncopate when? Right, you can be what creature? Schmetterling, yeah, butterfly. Okay? So in this class, we just focus on the fundamental rhythmic syncopation in Milonga music, which occurs most of the time in most of the songs. It might go away, but it almost always comes back. All right? If you have that in your pocket, you can come to and from that idea. What's the first pattern we use to convey it? Walk. Yeah, good. Walking. And what do you want to try to learn how to do when you're walking?
Double time.
Yeah, your legs have different names, right? What's the name of one leg? San, the other one?
Sis.
Yeah. San is what number?
1.
Sis is what? 2. Right, so if you know where the San is, then you know what's happening next. You can prepare for that syncopation. How do we prepare? What's this game called?
Compression.
What was the name of the game? Tai Chi Tango, yes. And it involves compression. Good. And do I do it all at once like this? Sometimes. Well, even then there's a little bit of preparation, okay? So prepare.
And followers, when we feel that compression, how do we react?
In kind.
In kind. Yeah, we compress that. But how much, followers?
Matching.
Matching it. Yeah?
Okay, so that's an all of tango, but in Milonga especially, as we prepare 1, 2, and 1. All right? The second pattern we did was what? Dum, ba, collect. Dum, ba, out, dum, ba, collect. All right? Easy side and hard side. In general, why are things harder? B, set.
Embrace.
Right, the embrace defines the way we do things and why patterns come out certain ways. Okay, finally, what was the last thing we did? Yeah,
Rock step.
dum, bum, bum. Instead of just spamming a rock step like all the time like this, we added a certain rhythm to it, the rhythm that you're learning. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. So in this demo, we're going to do a lot of 2 and 1. If we go into butterfly mode, try to pay attention to that. And then if we come back to this kind of being grounded mode. So we have 2 modes, the rhythmic syncopation and then just syncopating everywhere. Got it?
Followers, who is responsible for the music? Yes. It's not just the leaders. Yeah, we are as much as responsible as they are.
Okay, I'm waiting for it. Here it comes.
sé que están llorando, tocando para no llorar. Tu amor se secó de golpe, nunca dijiste por qué. Yo me consuelo pensando que fue traición de mujer. Varón, va a quererte mucho, varón, va a desearte el bien, varón.